Strengthening its grassroots base ahead of the crucial TTAADC elections, a total of 17 voters from 7 families formally renounced their affiliations with various other political parties to join the IPFT. The event took place in New Dhananjoy Village, located in the Natun Bazaar Malbasa area. The new members were welcomed into the fold with party flags and traditional greetings, signaling a shift in local political sentiment as the council elections approach. The program was spearheaded by Tripura, State Vice President of Youth IPFT.
Wilawa hambai, Chini media friend dong, sung tini kaisa sikon sa program ni bising tei, joining program sung naka tini othaingka Chini bergi dugan regional committee ni party office orasung kaisa jugdan soba khlaika tini sari jorawa, to tini no jugdan soba wa chungbai ketal mukhangke chungbai baksa hadokana hamjagai Chini IPFT no phandanani phaijak Chini jenta tisa bisini monitoring chairman Chini borom ganang tulung raja debroma bonosung lamsogo bini netriteo athor family ni 42 butar tei bosung bai tini nisimin IPFT o samung khlainani phaika.
Pure report Chini Khorang.